So just let me quickly check we are live or not. Yeah, we are live now. So good evening, everyone. Uh, Welcome back to a new innovation of 2023. Okay, we will be talking about this product in a while. So let's wait for a few minutes. And once again, wishing you all happy New Year. So hi Deepak, thank you so much for joining. We'll wait for a few minutes. Yeah, these people are joining. Hi Bajrang, hi Shefali, good to see you. Hi Sanjay, hi Akash Singh. Finally, DevOps engineer is watching. Thank you so much, Akash. Hi Sachin. I hope you all are doing good. So we have a very interesting news, product innovation, whatever you call, and we will be presenting them in a while. Hi Prakash, hi Bhanu, hi Bala, hi Vinay, Tim Patak, Happy New Year. Okay, so we have Hitesh also. Hitesh, thank you so much for joining, and I saw that you have also registered for RTP Ahmedabad. So soon I will see you there. We will be meeting on 11th Feb. So please join, and if possible, bring your friends too. Yeah, so enough people have joined, so we can start the session. Hi, Somain. So we have Sanjay with us, who is the founder of Selectors Hub. He has built series of product for us only for the testers, and he have few more innovations coming this year. I hope he will reveal soon. But today he has a new product with us, a total new thing which nobody have designed till now for the tester. So let me invite Sanjay. Hey, hi Sanjay.
Hello, Mukesh. Hello, everyone. Wish you all a very happy new year.
Okay, thank you so much, Sanjay, for
Thank you,
joining
Mukesh.
us.
Thanks for having me here.
Last year we could not
Just,
have much session, so I thought let's have the first session today. And
yeah, definitely. I hope you guys can hear me and you can hear me well.
yes, yes, you're loud and clear. So, guys, can you guys quickly confirm is Sanjay audible?
There should not be any echo or any problem.
No, it's all clear. We have Subhankar Das. So, day before yesterday, I published one video, a very inspiring journey from Subhankar. He has also joined.
Oh, great. Yes, I saw that video. It was nice and inspiring journey. Being there for many years in so
Yes,
many different roles and then moving into automation. Great.
yes, Sanjay. So, maybe we can quickly start if you have any PPTs or something. Otherwise, we can start.
Uh, sure. Let me just present through a PPT. That way we will be like more connected and we can have that like more interaction. But yes, of course, like few people might have seen that thing and what we are going to talk about. But don't worry, guys. Whenever we are coming here live, so we will be having something new and something exciting for you. So even if you have attended last session or something, some other way, you got to know. Be with us till the end. You will be getting something new and some exciting news as well about few more innovation and what new we have added. So yeah, let me just present my screen. If you can add that, please.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay. So, first of all, welcome once again, and thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Tell me, like, how many of you have heard or seen this song? Uh, we will put it on like mute. Just tell me that how did you guys got to know about this? And I'm sure like most of you must have seen this.
Reels.
Uh, yeah, reels. So, like we got to know like about this thing immediately. Like we all know. Like I just wanted to see what people say on the chat here. Social media, Reels, Instagram, right? We all got to know. I'm sure like nobody yet left that who is not aware about this song. So basically, we get to know about anything which is trending in social media. We got to know immediately. But did you guys get to know what is trending, what new comes in testing, what new came in testing? Why, like you see that till date, we don't have any such thing where we get immediately, like everybody get to know, like if even if you are on the way or on the go somewhere or anywhere where you don't have your laptop or your system, there you are not getting testing trends or what's happening in testing. Like you see one of the recent example, like being a Cropath creator, I have stopped development and support in Cropath around 3 years back. And then we have selectors up. You see that we recently did this poll, like in December only I did this poll. Are you still using outdated Cropath? 20% people are still not aware about it. We did this uh, poll on different platform. You see on here it was like 30% people says that they were not aware upgrading now, and 20% is still using the old one. So long story short, here what I'm trying to tell you guys that the trends which are happening on social media, the trends which used to happen on like Instagram, Twitter, etc., we immediately get to know. But the things which are new happening in our testing, many of you might not be aware about great tools, great technology, what new came in the market, how you guys can upgrade in yourself in the testing, how you guys can grow, what people are talking about in testing. So all those things, how can we get to know? And how we got to know about these reels, what we used to do, we used to scroll reels early in the morning in the toilet. That's how, like I'm sure like most of you can correlate with this, that we all used to scroll reels early in the morning, right? Like we start scrolling the feed social media, or early in the morning we start using the WhatsApp or Instagram reels, etc. We start using them, but are they really helping us to add any value in our knowledge or in our career? I'm sure, pretty much sure that no. Answer is no. Like that is not adding any value in our career, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you will be scrolling like Instagram whole day or like those reels and all, we are not going to get higher package because of them. What if we say that we will get you something, we will give you something which you will enjoy, like Instagram or any other social media platform, but at the same time that will add some value knowledge in your skills, in your career, and it will help you to get higher and higher, grow higher and higher, and get higher package. When we get stuck, I'm sure like we many of you might be from metro cities, and something like many of you might be from Bangalore, so I'm sure you can correlate this picture. Generally these days there is a too much traffic, and we all get stuck into that. What we used to do whenever we are in cab or something on car, we start scrolling feed, social media feed. But if you have something in your hand which can help you in your career, which can give you information related to testing and all, that can be like very, very beneficial. So here, now you will get the testing feed on the go in your hand, wherever you are, no matter whether you are in toilet, whether you are like roaming around and in place of scrolling social media, you will be having this in your hand, introducing testing daily mobile app. Now you will be having this feed in your hand, and this will show you the feed list, all the trending feed from different platform. Because we many people, like many great author, many great bloggers used to write blogs on Medium, a huge community talking about testing in Reddit. Then YouTube, like these days YouTube is the like main source of learning for anything. So same goes for testing and automation as well. You see, like if YouTube is like kind of like academy to learn anything, all the series, everything you will get it on, like all these great YouTubers are creating amazing content, like okay, so Tuan. So here you get all those feed. So what if like you get up early in the morning, you open the app and you get to know, okay, at this platform, Mukesh has created some this kind of tutorial, Naveen has created something this, someone has written some article on Medium, people are talking about testing on Reddit about this topic of testing, play in Playwright what new came, in Selenium what new came. If you get that information just in a glance within a few seconds, early in the morning, your rest of the day goes awesome. You get to learn a lot of things. It is available for Android and as well as App Store as well. Already, like it's been just week launch, and it is in the hand of more than 2,000 testers already. Here are some of the stats I would like to show you guys that is there any Android and iOS app which is especially for tester and only used by testers? 75% people says there is no app, and I'm sure like you guys can tell me in the chat here, is there any app which you are using or which you have used in your mobile as a tester, which is just for tester to give you guys good content? I'm sure answer is no, but yeah, still would like to hear from you guys. What do you guys say? Mukesh, have you ever used any app?
First time I installed any app which is related to testing. I've done testing on the mobile app, but this was the first app.
Yeah,
And I
yes,
really like the
definitely.
concept, Sanjay, because for me, whenever I have to see that what is going around, when I open Medium or any other platform, I get distracted with a lot of articles, right? Because you will find one blog related to testing, and there are tons of other blogs which are related to some other thing. Same goes with Quora. Let's say if you know find something, again you will be getting hundreds of articles, interesting articles, and again somehow the main intention is getting lost. So I found it like
Yes,
even I started using it like even if I spend 5 minutes, I will get to know what are the different updates came on today on the different platform. And guys, I should say that you should give a try because you will get to know every single day what is happening, not only with the testing side, anything which is related to testing. Let's say yesterday I was checking one article related to DevOps, and again it was related to testing. So I got to know what is happening around the DevOps side as well. So anything which is related to testing, you will get to know immediately. You don't have to wait that somebody will tell you that this is new thing is happening or maybe new innovation is coming. Anything which is new coming on the different platforms. So soon Sanjay will talk about the different platforms from where it takes, and
yep,
even I have a couple of questions from my side that what are the different features Testing Daily offers. And in case if you have any questions related to Testing Daily, please note it down. Sanjay is very open to feedback. If you have any feedback related to app design, any improvement, any new features that you want, he is with us today. We can start asking. So yes, Sanjay, please go ahead.
yes,
Srinath has started using and seems he is liking it. So thank you so much,
yep.
Srinath.
Thanks, Rina. Thanks for the great feedback, and thanks. I'm so glad to hear that you are already using it and enjoying the feed. And thanks, Mukesh, for your kind feedback and great information you added here. And in fact, like yours was the very first review on the Play Store.
Yeah,
So thanks for that.
thank you.
And how you guys can get this testing daily. So let me just show you guys quickly here. So you just, I mean, on the app, you can directly go to Play Store or App Store, search for testing daily, and you will get it there. Or else, like, just go to Selectors of website. Here you will get the testing daily link. And in this testing daily product page, you will get all the information about testing daily. That this is yeah. So here you see that this is available like Android link, Apple Play Store, sorry, Apple App Store and Play Store both are available here. It is also available as browser plugin, so that we will talk later. So here you can install it. Just click on here, and it will take you to the Play Store, and from there you can install in your phone. So once you will install in your phone, you will see that, and you just have to open and start scrolling. Now let me just show you quickly, give you guys a quick demo here.
And Sanjay, maybe those who have not attended or those who have not seen Testing Daily uh, view on the browser itself. Maybe you can open a new tab and show you that
Yeah,
instead of.
that also, yeah, definitely. Thanks, Mukesh, for that. I will show that as well. So let me first show this mobile app one, and then we will show the browser extension as well as the web application. So it is like pretty much same in all the platforms, have all the features. It will be adding a lot of value in your career, in your day-to-day skills. So this is how it looks like in your phone. So what you have to do, just simple click and open, and this is how it will show in your phone. And you see that you start scrolling the feed here, and you will keep getting to know that, okay, on YouTube, someone has created this tutorial, this has came, what people are talking about, what new things came. You can keep scrolling, you will keep getting the content here. And you will, like, early morning, you get up, wake up, you start scrolling the feed, you will keep getting the information that what people are talking about, like best 15 test automation trends for 2023. This article came from Lambda Test, from Medium, from different platform, Ministry of Testing, and you will get all those feeds here. Just keep scrolling, keep getting the content, and you will keep getting to know, okay, what's happening around, like this cubic time complexity. Naveen has added few tutorials over there. So you get to know, like you see, day before yesterday, Mukesh has added this amazing journey of a inspiring person, like how he has switched from different domain to automation. So all these things you will immediately get on these platforms, which is really amazing. Wake up whenever you are free, start scrolling the feed, you get it here. Now suppose you are scrolling feed, you found something here, and you don't have time at that moment, and you want to watch it later. So how you can save this feed? So you can bookmark it here. You bookmark it here. And now, okay, this might be because I'm running it on simulator. Whenever you get time back, so what you can do, click here, and under bookmarks, you will find those uh, article, like whichever you have bookmarked. So right now it is not, none of them is bookmarked, so that is there. Otherwise, it will show it here, like whichever you have bookmarked here. Then suppose you want to see which all are the most popular article there on the testing daily, so that you can see it here. Like these are the most how you like get to know that these are the most famous and most talked. So depending on the upvotes, comments, it used to list down all those things, whichever has been like most commented and most upvoted. And right now it has like less feed over, might be having the less feed because like recently added testing daily. It's just been a week, so people are getting in, adopted this, and people are interacting more and more. So yes, here you will find the best discussion where people are more talking about and discussing. So that feed you will get it here. Then, okay, any questions so far, by the way?
Yeah, so one question which Arjun has, like, hi Sanjay, thank you so much for introducing the app for testers. May I know how it will be useful to us? How can I use this app in my career?
Okay, so if you are in testing, then you are going to get all the information related to testing. If you are more enthusiastic, like what new came in testing, what people are talking about, so that all information you will get it from here. Because when you are scrolling like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, you don't get like only testing related information. Here you will get all the filtered content, like what, because on YouTube or on LinkedIn or you go any platform, you don't get the filtered testing related information. But here what we are doing, that we are collecting all the great information from all different platforms. I'm sure like Medium, hardly how many of you have ever opened Medium, or how many of you have ever opened Reddit? Can anyone tell me if you guys have ever opened Reddit to read about testing, to learn about testing, what community is talking about testing there? And how many of you open Medium, like weekly, even monthly? How many of you have never opened Medium in last 1 month? Is there anyone who have opened? So this
Only
will
when
help you.
we get through Google.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, that's very correct. So here, what we are trying to do, that we will add that feed here, and just the title. It will not take much time. Just the title, we are adding it here, And then if you want to read more about that, like let's say this title, you click on this, it will show you something. You read about it. If you want to read more, then you click on read article, and then it will take you to there if you will be interested. So at a glance, you will get to know that what's happening around in the testing. So it will basically keep you updated with the testing trends, testing news, that what's happening around in the testing world.
Yeah.
And at the same time, people like Mukesh, Naveen, and all the YouTubers and all the bloggers and everyone, those who are creating amazing content, that will be listed here. And immediately you will get to know, okay, these things came, new came. Like yesterday and every day these days, what happened early morning, whenever I wake up, I just scroll a little bit in the mobile, this testing daily, and I get to know that, okay, this person has written this blog, this person has added these tutorial. I'm done for the day. Next day again, or whenever I get free time, I just start scrolling that what's happening. Otherwise, I used to keep scrolling like LinkedIn, Twitter to get these feed. Okay, what people are talking about, what people have added, and a number of times it happened that we missed
Yes.
the feed because of like a lot of feed is added in LinkedIn. Many a times I miss that what Mukesh is talking, what someone else is talking in the LinkedIn, because that post will not appear on my feed. Like if I will like just skip for few
Get
hours.
this. Yeah. So Arjun, see, basically you have a YouTube for YouTube videos, you have LinkedIn for professional connection, Facebook for personal connection. So testing daily will keep you updated daily on the testing articles. So you don't have to struggle much like from where to find. This is the one place because it has integrated with multiple platforms. So he has integrated with Medium, YouTube. Sanjay, what are the different platforms? Reddit you mentioned. What are the
Yes.
different
So
platforms integrated?
yeah, right now we have like four platforms which are integrated, like YouTube, Reddit, Medium, and Lambda Test. We are
Okay.
adding more and more every day. So we are adding more and more content here. So in fact, like you can customize as well. Like good that you asked this. So here you have this customize. Let's say you don't want to see Reddit feed, you can turn it off here. Then it will not show that feed on your
Okay.
like feed. If you want to see, let's say YouTube only, you can turn off this and this as well. Now if you go back, let's say we have two feed right now, so if you go back there, you will see only YouTube and the Lambda test feed. So that depends like what feed you want to see it here, so that you can
Okay.
customize from here.
So basically, Arjun, it's a one platform. Now it's up to you what articles, what kind of resources you want to check. Main objective here is that you should get updates so that you
Yeah.
should not miss what is happening in the testing world. I've seen many people don't get to know what is happening now. Every day everybody is talking about chat gpt. How it get to know? Because people have started using it, they started sharing on the social media, YouTube, and then how you got to know chat gpt, right? So using this, you will not miss any important information which is required for you. It will definitely help you in your career because you will get to know what is happening. You should implement, at least give a POC. Okay, let's say there's a new tool is coming. You will get to know on the same day, right? Because of the integration of the different platforms. Because you might not use Quora every time or Reddit or this medium. We hardly use it. Whenever we Google something, we get some articles, we go through it, that's all, right? So you will get to know. And definitely exploration part you have to take care. You will be getting information from here. Rest is up to you how you want to use it. Maybe you want to save it for the later, maybe you want to share with your friends. Everything is already available.
Yes. And I just ping you guys, like you can install it on from Play Store and App Store. Just search for testing daily.
Yeah.
So let me just add the link here in the chat. I'm not sure if the link will get added over here in the chat. I'm just still pinging them.
Yeah.
Later we will add the these app link here in the description as well, or just go to selectorsub.com. You will get all those details there.
So Nita, you
Okay,
can install browser extension, Android app, mobile app, and you can start using it.
okay. Then let me tell you guys few more features. Suppose you want to search for something here. Let's say you are learning Playwright or Cypress or anything you are learning, and you want to see that some latest tutorial which have came in the market, who have added the latest tutorial. Because when you go in YouTube or any platform or on Google, you search, lots of content came, but here you will get the latest thing which you have, which have been added. So let me just search for, let's say, install Playwright, because Playwright is really evolving, and I'm sure, I guess, you started Mukesh now the playwright series. So you see
Yes,
that this playwright series came here, like Mukesh added these. So now you have the latest tutorial, like you see that the 14 December 2022. So this is very recently added. So if you like you got this content, you follow this on the go, you will learn that how to install Playwright. Whenever you have free time, you just open and learn that. So you can here search as well. And of course, like I will request that upvote, comment, you can comment here that what you feel about this content. So you can comment, you can get engaged with those things with these article. So that way you will be getting more evolved with this. And here you have two views, like this is list view. If you don't like, you can switch to grid view. So there are two views that you can check it out. Here you can create account to comment, upvote.
I
I
personally
told you
like
guys that you can bookmark. Uh, yeah. So any question, any feedback so far, guys, before
today's
we move on?
feedback, anything that you want to get added, please let us know. How much time it takes to develop a iOS app, because Android it's quite easy, right? Anybody can download. But even just to get the developer account, you need to pay $100. Again, you have to follow a lot of processes, and iOS developers, a lot of actually effort, time, money involved here, which Sanjay is doing for the free for the community. So please support. Kindly start using it. If you have any feedback that you really want, let us know. But this will definitely help you. Try this, and if you don't like it, then Sanjay can join us again and let us know that what kind of features you're not liking or maybe you want to get away. So this question, Sanjay, I have, which Viren has asked,
Yeah.
that what about the notification part? So question by Viren says, content will be shown based on the top rated reviews, or all sort of testing content from integrated platform will be shown as notification.
Okay. So here, like we are lot of algorithm has been written behind the scene that it will not show some junk data like from all the platforms, because it's even in YouTube, even in like Medium and Reddit, in all the platforms, lots of stuff is there testing related to testing, which is not useful. So a lot of things has been, lot of filtration, lots of logic has been written behind that. It will show you guys, we are trying our best that it will show you the more and more optimized and filtered content which is useful. Yes, of course, based on the review, based on the views, and lot more things, that even if like there are not some views, but if it is a useful content, definitely we will show it here. So a lot more logic has been written so that we can make it more and more useful. And it is not just like one day task, because any kind of application which shows the feed, it keep evolving over the time. It is something like Google search. So Google search is like every day they are optimizing so that it shows you the better and better and better and better result. So same thing, we will be like keep optimizing, keep working hard to so that it show you guys the best and most optimized content. So you guys keep enjoying the feed.
Another question by Bala. Hi Sanjay, do we have by author filter by Naveen Mukesh etc. wise? Please let us know.
Okay, but no, right now we don't have this feature so that you can get the feed by the author, but it's a great feedback. Maybe in future we will add this feature. Right now we have the feed based on the uh, like platforms, and you can choose the supplier. Basically, supplier we are calling them. So yes.
Sanjay, by any chance, any plans of integrating with LinkedIn and fetch only the testing related things? Because I can see many people are using LinkedIn, and I get a lot of updates from LinkedIn too. So any
Yes,
chance,
yes,
I'm
yes.
not sure how feasible it is, but getting feed only related to testing from LinkedIn and the Quora.
Yes, so we are working on Quora thing right now, and maybe like very soon you will see the Quora as well, Twitter as well.
Nice.
LinkedIn little restricted because they don't have the open feed and open, but yeah, we are working on that as well. But let's see, like if we would be able to convert that, that will be a great win for us. So yes,
Yeah.
we are trying to add more and more platforms.
Okay. And this is again question from me. When it comes to installing any app, it generally asks for the permissions, right? Media access, record access, and all. So any kind of access needed for this app.
No, none of the access is required as of now for this app because it is just showing the feed. Here we don't have that kind of feature where you can upload the image or write. But yeah, in future when we will add this feature where you can write your own blog article, you can upload your thumbnail for that blog. So that's where we might require the those access. But right now it doesn't require any access. It's still very simple and very efficient app. You just install and start using it. That's all. It just required internet, nothing else.
Okay.
And it's absolutely free, guys.
Okay, great. Sanjay, this topic, like if somebody wants to get notification on daily basis on a
Hmm.
specific topic, like alert system, do we
Yes,
have
yes.
such feature? You can just create your own alert.
So right now we don't have this that you can create this specific alert if some content come. But yes, we have this in our pipeline that you will be able to set the notification that so that like whenever some new things come, like let's say YouTube tutorial came or Medium blog, you want to get the notification whenever there's a YouTube tutorial. So that yes, that is in pipeline. Maybe like in couple of weeks you will get that feature. But we have already added this feature that you will be able to uh, you will get the notification every day in the morning or maybe like once you will get that notification that some new content came, so it will remind you for that way so that you don't miss any good information or good update.
Okay.
Yep, I hope that that answers his question.
There was one question, Sanjay. I'm not sure whether he's still in the session or not. There was one issue with the iOS. Like he was saying, it's loading very slow in iOS.
Mhm. No, no, it should not be the case. Sometimes it happened that maybe like because of see, whenever there is something like related to performance or something, it depends on a lot of parameters. It could be sometimes because of network issue or something. I will
Okay.
request you maybe like you can just close the app and try it again. Even if like even Twitter, Instagram, and many other app as well sometimes goes down. So it depends on a lot of parameters, not just because of this that and sometimes because it could be a chance as well that we are live right now and people are engaging, a lot of people right at the same time start using, so that also sometimes issue happen. But yeah, it doesn't happen that way.
One comment from new thing. I want to switch from. Okay, I want to prepare for automation testing interview. So this. See new things. First of all, start using your real name so that we can connect better. Now, when it comes to switching jobs, switching, from one domain to another domain, preparing for some specific tool, definitely you need a roadmap. So here you will be getting the news articles, and let's say if I start a new series, let's say for DevOps, so they here you will be notified. Like, okay, tomorrow in case if we are starting a new testing series, let's say on any specific tools, you will get to know here. But you need to follow that path separately, right? So when it comes to preparing for something, that's a different thing. Here it will keep you posted about the new things. So I thought let me quickly highlight. So Sanjay, when you say that I tried, it's every time actually it's happening. Possibly maybe okay, could be
Yeah,
one of
maybe
the.
like we will see this issue because so many people are already using it. It doesn't happen every time, but yeah, there could be something. I will check that. Yes, definitely. Thanks, we need for the feedback.
Prakash also installed. Yeah, thank you so much, Prakash. So do rate uh, and start upvoting if you like any articles, and do share with your friends as well, like about regarding the app. And if you want to share any specific article or something, all these options are available here. Now, Sanjay, you can talk about the browser extension that, like by default, the new tab
Yes.
which is testing
So
daily.
you guys can
Help
add.
a lot.
In fact,
So
the testing Delia. Sorry, you were saying something, Mukesh?
yeah, please go ahead. No.
Okay. Yes. So the idea of testing daily, first we started with the browser extension, and then we thought like it can be more helpful for the mobile if we have these things on the go. So that's where we introduced the mobile app as well. About the browser extension, you see that you can add it in your browser, and then going forward, whenever you will open a new tab, it will show the feed in the new tab. So you see that if you want to open, let's say, any website, so you open new tab and you type that website, right? So in the meantime, you type the website name, some feed it will show you for your eyes, and something your eyes will absorb something. Oh, there is something came in the market. There is something like how to use Playwright for web scraping with Python. So this at least your eyes is like observe something about testing in that 4 5 second of time. So this will help you to get something new every time whenever you open new tab in that 4 5 second of gap. So here we are trying to utilize those time in like when you open new tab and you open a website. And in the meantime, if you get something new that which got your attention, you can open that and read about that. So this is very helpful that whenever you have some time, okay, let me just open new tab and see what new came. It is something like I'm sure like many of you must have used Edge browser. So you
Yes.
see that in the Edge browser, whenever you open new tab, this kind of information used to show, right? But is this information at all useful to us?
Yeah.
Is it at all useful for my career? Maybe yes, 90% of the cases it is no. But in place of showing this content, this news article and all, what if we start showing you this articles, this information which is directly related to my career, which can be helpful for my career? So isn't
Yeah.
it great like you are getting the content, something which is helpful for your career, which is adding value every time in your career? So that's where you can keep installed in your browser. It is already available for all the Chromium based browser, Chrome, Edge, Opera, Brave, Chromium. So you can add it anytime, whenever you have free time or whenever you are opening new tab, you will see this content. And this is widely being used already.
And good part,
So
Sanjay, it's changing every time. It's not something static that we are
yes, you see
we buy.
that now we have opened so many tabs. Every tab has different content. So you get to know every time something new. You will learn something new every time. This is also available as web application. Like if you are not using extension or extensions are not allowed in your company, in that case, you can open this website testingdaily.info. It is also available as web application. We have worked really hard on this thing, Testing Daily, to keep you guys updated with all the things. So you can bookmark this URL in your website, in your browser, and whenever you want, just start scrolling here and you will get the feed and like learn and read more about it. All the features, everything is available on all the platforms. We are trying hard to keep every platforms as updated as possible.
Great, Sanjay. So, guys, I really like this, and we thought let's have a quick live with Sanjay. So, let us know your feedback. Did you like the new innovation by Sanjay or not? And he's very open to feedback. So, please reach out to him in case if you have any feedback or any suggestions. And again, waiting for one more innovation or a few more innovations from Sanjay this year.
Yep. So, okay, so this I have showed you guys. And what's new in Testing Daily? So I'm sure like many of you are having the iPad and Android pad tab basically. So how you can like use it? Can you use it there as well? So if you guys have, if someone has a tab, so if you open Testing Daily, if you install Testing Daily there and open that, that you might not, that you feel, there you can feel that it is not supporting right there in iPad. So now we are adding the support for iPad as well. So with the next build itself, maybe like in 1 2 days, it will be available. We are adding the support for iPad as well. So going forward, if you have iPad,
Great.
you will be able to see and use the testing daily on your iPad as well, and read the content and scroll the content about the like testing in your iPad whenever you have free time, or like uh, if you enjoy reading the content on iPad, you will love this. And here you will start scrolling and keep enjoying the feed related to testing on your iPad as well. So this is another great thing that we are going to support on iPad as well.
Yeah. It is still supported, Sanjay. Only thing is the look and feel is not that great.
Yes,
It just
absolutely,
beginning.
absolutely. Yes. So that is the thing we have added.
Perfect.
Yes. Right now it is not looking that great.
Okay. So any more updates from
Yeah,
Sanjay?
that's pretty much from my side, guys. If you have any question, any feedback, feel free to let us know. And right there in the testing daily itself, you have the option of suggestion, any feedback. You can add the ticket here. Also, I will request all of you that please share testing daily in your network, because in your QA groups, because lot many people are still not aware about it. You can invite people. You can share the link about this app, and please do add the review, so that like that is the thing which inspire me to work hard for you guys, create more such innovation, more such tools for the community. So please do share and please do write the review about the tool. And
That's all our side. Yeah. So as Sanjay mentioned, please do support, submit your reviews, and you can invite other people as well for testing daily.
guys, we are also coming to Ahmedabad.
Yeah, so RTP 4.0 is live. We are having RTP in Ahmedabad, 11th of February. Those who are in Ahmedabad, please join. Those who are in the Gujarat region, you can also join us. Surat, Baroda, nearby cities, you can join us. After Ahmedabad, we have few more RTP planned for this year. So we have few more now in different cities. We'll quickly announce after Ahmedabad, which will be the next city. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so one more announcement. Tomorrow we have another live session. It's another Q&A live session where you can ask any query related to testing, any question related to test automation, manual testing, desktop automation, anything that comes in your mind related to testing. We'll have another session tomorrow. It's already scheduled. Please join tomorrow, and you can note down your questions. We'll discuss one by one in detail tomorrow. Few questions I missed in my last live session that I have noted down. I will share my views on that questions as well. Yeah, so that's all from my side. And Sanjay, if you're done, then maybe we can end this session now.
Yes, that's pretty much from my side as well, Mukesh. And thank you once again for having me here. Great thanks to you. It was
Thank
great session, and I hope like
you.
people enjoyed. And thank you so much everyone for joining. It was great session, and looking forward for your support. And please do share about it in the community, and keep enjoying the feed, keep learning, keep watching Testing Daily YouTube channel Mukesh Otwani, and don't forget to subscribe here. We will keep coming live. We will try to add more and more session this year, and more tool for the community.
Yeah,
Thank
definitely.
you.
Yeah. Thanks everyone, and see you all tomorrow. Thank you, Sanjay. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.